Assalamu alaikum students. Students, I am Muhammad Farooq and teaching at Peshawar Model School Nowshera campus. Students, this is lecture number 4 for class 8 Pakistan studies, and this is the last lecture, students. So in this lecture you are required to get pictures related to these events. I am going to explain the events and you have to get the pictures from internet. So, and then you have to write down all those things which I am going to deliver to you. First of all, 1857. This year is famous or important in the history of Pakistan, Indian subcontinent, because in this particular year, the Hindus and Muslims jointly started armed struggle against the British authorities just to liberate their land from the foreign authorities like Britishers. So in this year, the war which fought between the Indians and the Britishers, this war is called War of Independence. So this is the year 1857 related to War of Independence. The second event is related to 1875. Students, in 1875, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan laid down the foundation stone of Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental School. In this school, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan tried to deliver the modern and scientific knowledge to the Muslim youth. Later on, this school upgraded to university, which is known as Aligarh University. Still, it is a famous university of India. So, in 1875, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan laid down the foundation stone of Anglo-Oriental School, which later on upgraded to university. Number 3. The third event is related to 1905. In 1905, Bengal, the province of Bengal, was divided into two parts, East Bengal and West Bengal. This division was beneficial for the Muslims because in the Eastern Bengal, the Muslims were in majority, and in this division provided an opportunity to the Muslims just to establish their own government in Eastern Bengal. So in 1905, Bengal was divided into two parts, East Bengal and West Bengal, and this division was beneficial to Muslims. The fourth event is related to 1916. In 1916, an agreement took place between the Indian National Congress and All India Muslim League. In this agreement, both the political parties decided to cooperate with each other and resolve the constitutional issues of the Indian subcontinent through dialogue. Let me to say, students, the 1916 Lucknow Pact materialized due to the concrete efforts of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Event number 5, 1940. 1940 is famous in the history of the subcontinent because on 23rd March 1940, the annual session of All India Muslim League held at Lahore. In this annual session, a famous resolution, which is known as Pakistan Resolution, was passed by the Muslim League there, and they demanded a separate Muslim state for Muslims inside India. I mean to say that in 1940, the All India Muslim League, the political party of the Muslims, demanded categorically just to create a separate Muslim state inside India for Muslims. Okay, students, now this is the last lecture related to summer vacation task for the month of June. You are required to get pictures from internet regarding these events, and you have to write down few sentences about each and every event which I have already provided you in detail. So students, later on you have to submit your summer vacation task here in the school office. Okay, so previously we have already uploaded and we have delivered the 3 lectures. This is lecture number 4, clear? Related to class 8. Before I have already provided 3 lectures to you, and this is lecture number 4. So I am going to repeat. You have to take pictures regarding these events from internet, and then you have to write down a few sentences about each and every event, and later on, once this task will complete by you, then you have to return it, your summer vacation task, submit your summer vacation task at the school office. Then we will be able to check the summer vacation task for the month of June. Thank you, students.